Welcome to the channel. Today we have some exciting news for muscle car enthusiasts as Dodge has unveiled their new Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170. This car is not only the fastest production car on the market, but it also has a number of features that make it unique. So, let's get started and dive into the details of what makes the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 so special. The Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 is not just fast, it is the fastest production car in the world. It can reach 60 miles per hour in just 1.66 seconds and delivers the highest G-force acceleration of any production car at 2.004 gs. The car has a total horsepower of 1,025 at 6,500 revolutions per minute and 945 lb, featuring of torque at 4,200 revolutions per minute on an E85 ethanol blend. The Demon 170 produces 900 horsepower and 810 lb featuring of torque on E10. It is also the first ever 8-second factory muscle car, running the quarter mile in an NHRA certified 8.91 seconds at 151.17 miles per hour. The Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 comes with a range of features that make it stand out from other muscle cars. The red keys only are available for this car, which determines the horsepower output by the percentage of ethanol detected in the fuel. The car also has an innovative SRT power chiller that diverts the air conditioning system to cool the supercharger intercooler for optimal air intake temperature. The car features a patent-pending Transbrake 2.0 with torque shaping capability, and a unique drag mode suspension that provides maximum forward drive and custom race settings for drag calibrations. The Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 is not just fast and powerful, it also has a unique design. The car is available in 14 exterior color options and carries a unique reworking of the original Demon badge featuring a 170 neck tattoo and new E85 representative yellow Demon's eye. The interior adds a yellow and red serialized Demon instrument panel badge with 4 interior choices, including standard lightweight cloth with driver seat only, optional full cloth interior, premium black Napa leather and Alcantara or demonic red Laguna leather. The Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 will be available in at most 3,300 units, with 3,000 for the US market and 300 for Canada. The car will have a manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, of $96,666, excluding destination and fees. Owners of original 2018 Challenger SRT Demon who secure an allocation will be able to match the same vehicle identification number as their original Demon. Dealer orders at MSRP will receive priority scheduling. The Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 is an impressive machine that boasts unmatched speed and performance, unique features, and a one-of-a-kind design. It is the perfect car for muscle car enthusiasts who want the ultimate driving experience. The car is available for ordering from March 27, 2023. To learn more about the car and the Never Lift campaign, please visit dodgegarage.com.